Hey, what's up, gadget lovers? Today, I'm diving into the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, OPPO's latest flagship phone that's turning heads everywhere. Could this be the best flagship of 2024? Let's find out. First off, let's talk performance. The Find X7 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This thing is a beast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just streaming your favorite shows, everything feels super smooth and lightning fast. No lag, no stutter. Now for all the shutterbugs out there, OPPO has really upped their game with the camera system on this one. You've got a multi-lens setup that includes a 108 megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope zoom lens. The AI features are on point too, giving you ultra-clear night mode and some seriously enhanced zoom capabilities. Your photos are going to look professional grade no matter what time of day it is. Let's move on to the display. The Find X7 Ultra sports a gorgeous 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 128Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel buttery smooth. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed, it's an absolute treat for the eyes. Battery life? You're covered. The Find X7 Ultra packs a massive 5,000 mAh battery that supports 80 mAh Super VUOC fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to 60% in just 15 minutes. No more battery anxiety, folks. And let's not forget about the design. This phone is ultra slim and lightweight, crafted with premium materials that feel great in the hand. It's got that sophisticated look that screams flagship. Plus, it's available in some stunning colors. So, is the OPPO Find X7 Ultra the best flagship of 2024? It's certainly a strong contender. With its powerful performance, stellar camera system, immersive display, long-lasting battery, and sleek design, it ticks all the right boxes. But hey, the choice is ultimately up to you. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.